Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how you can go ahead and deposit a check in a PayPal. First, go ahead and log in, alright, into your PayPal account. In the app, you just go ahead and click on your PayPal balance. Now here on this page, you see this last option. It says cash a check. You basically want to go ahead and tap on that. And then they'll ask you to take a photo of your check. So you're going to be taking photos of both sides of your signed check, and you want to click on next, but make sure you have all the edges clearly visible, the photo is clear, decent lighting, okay, and you want to sign on the check as well. Make sure you have signed, and then you just need to pick a speed. So you have to choose when you want to receive your money and tap on confirm. There's two options. There's money in minutes. They do charge a fee for that. Okay, about a $5 fee. And they have the money in 10 days option, which doesn't have any fees, but it does take longer. Just enter your amount that is on the check and then click on confirm. Okay, it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.